So I'm pretty tired. I mean, nothing exciting is gonna happen today. I gotta look into more of what we're gonna do when we head down north. But you know, once summer comes around, it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be way more entertaining than this. Don't get me wrong, staying in my car has been really fun, but I cannot imagine how much fun it's gonna be sleeping in a tent, building a shelter, building a fire. Legally, of course. But you know, I'm doing the most I can right now with what I've got, so I hope y'all are enjoying. So, look what I found. This marks the day of day 8, and I'm actually pretty excited. I'm back in my hometown. I'm back in my normal spot, but I just got this really cool thing in. I'm gonna take a scary walk back in these woods here. We're gonna walk back here, way out in the middle of nowhere. From a family friend. So, basically, take one of these cubes right here. Roughly 18 minutes it'll last. It's like fuel starter, fire starter. Yep, that smells like ass. And so, just got her started here. So, turn this. Put her like this a little bit. Excuse me. I'm gonna take this can. Bingo. See, now we got an open can like this. Now watch. We run down over here. Over. Get this over here. Give it a good wash. Dipper. Back in the pocket. A little homemade fire here. Hold it on the can. Why'd you make a fire so far out here? Because I'm not gonna make a fire by the road. But this is what we're working with right now. Survival mission. This is cool. I can't wait for it to be summer, so I can just live out in the wilderness, out of a tent, build shelters. But there, take our water here. Guess what we're gonna make? You're probably like, oh, there's no more fire. Yeah, there is. And we're gonna make some hot chocolate, so I'm looking forward to it. I said, I'm back in Wapaka, town where I was first couple nights. We're gonna go down instead of up, so hopefully it gets warmer as we go down north. Oh, look at that. You see it, but there's a flame. I'm excited. My hands are pretty cold right now, but it's a lot warmer than Minocqua. Minocqua was freezing. And we're gonna go from there. So these little blocks last around 15 to 20 minutes each. As you can see, I put some little sticks up here, just dry them out, kill whatever's on them. I'm gonna use them as stirring sticks. Seems to be like it's heating it up. We're gonna have some good ass hot chocolate here in a bit. We got it. Well, I can't really complain. I mean, no, it's gonna take. Oh no, forest fire. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is good. That is nice. What's up? So, we just finished our hot chocolate. Tonight's gonna be kind of a boring night. I'm gonna figure out what else we're gonna do here, and then we'll go from there. But tonight, I'm gonna hop in bed.
SIM has connected to your phone and is reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
Every day. Thank you, car. Well, it's 6:30 now. I'm gonna head to bed. I'm tired. Did a lot of driving, a lot of editing those videos, but I'll figure out something interesting to do tomorrow. But love y'all. Good night. So I forgot to take my waking up video this morning. Basically, it was pretty chilly. It was 22 out. I slept like a baby though. I slept really good all night. Fell asleep right away. Well, actually, so the original place where I was, somebody came there and then they just stayed there for like a half an hour and I was kind of sketched out. So I went to my family's property out in a cornfield and I stayed there. But once I got out there, I pretty much fell asleep right away. And then this morning, woke up, came straight to my parents' house. Got to go to my apartment in a little bit here. And then we're going to figure out where we're going to stay tonight. Going to do something different. I'll see y'all later on.